And here's the animated Cybertron Ratchet. Alright. Articulation. Ball joint. Swivel. Double hinge. Yes! Swivel. Ball joint. Swivel. Back. There's a knee hinge and a, well... Yes. He can sit like that, kind of. It's a hidden feature that no one knows about. And that hasn't been discovered for around 18 years, I think. Around 20 years, yes. He also has some foot articulation, but no. Oh yeah, there's a hinge at the... no, there's swivel at the head. Oh, a little bit of a ball joint here. Yeah, I forgot about that. Hey, okay. On my copy, these don't want to go all the way in. But yeah, now, alright. This is weird. Because they didn't do it on this side, and they had enough room to do that. Now, this little Bob Saget here. After I take this off. This bitch don't want to stay in. Ugh. Yeah, that's what my ex said when I needed a little helper. Pill. Yeah. But, anyway, you push this button, they're both supposed to... You push this down and push the button, they're supposed to come out, and... Yeah. But, no. It just don't want to stay. Yeah. Neither does my camera. That's it. No, I'm done.